Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we delve into an important research topic that impacts both employers and employees. The relationship between workplace ergonomics and employee productivity in assembly line operations. Throughout this video, we'll explore why this research is crucial, draft each chapter of the research, and discuss its significance. Let's get started. Assembly line operations are at the core of many industries, such as automotive manufacturing, electronics, and food processing. The way workstations are designed and organized can significantly impact employee health, efficiency, and overall productivity. For example, ergonomic interventions, such as adjustable workstations and proper tool usage, have been shown to reduce injuries and fatigue, leading to a more motivated and focused workforce. Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 1 serves as the foundation of the entire research project. It sets the stage by providing background information on the topic, defining key terms, and presenting relevant contextual details about assembly line operations, workplace ergonomics, and employee productivity. This helps readers, including fellow researchers and industry professionals, understand the research's significance and relevance in the broader context. Research problem. The research problem addresses the main issue that the study seeks to investigate. For instance, a research problem in this context could be, the lack of ergonomic considerations in assembly line workstations negatively affects employee productivity and health. Research significance. Highlight the significance of the research, explaining why it matters. An example could be, identifying the relationship between workplace ergonomics and employee productivity can lead to the development of practical interventions that promote a healthier and more productive workforce. Research questions. The research questions guide the study and aim to provide specific answers. Here are 3 sample research questions. How does the design of assembly line workstations impact employee productivity? What are the effects of ergonomic interventions on employee health and well-being? How do employee perceptions of workplace ergonomics influence their job satisfaction? Research objectives. Research objectives outline the goals of the study. Here are 3 sample research objectives. To assess the current ergonomic conditions of assembly line workstations. To determine the correlation between workplace ergonomics and employee productivity. To recommend effective ergonomic interventions to enhance productivity and employee well-being. Research rationale. Explain why this research is essential, considering its potential benefits for both employers and employees. For instance, improving workplace ergonomics can lead to a reduction in employee absenteeism, turnover, and medical costs, while simultaneously increasing production efficiency and overall job satisfaction. Chapter 2, Literature Review. The literature review critically examines existing studies related to workplace ergonomics and employee productivity in assembly line operations. Suitable subtopics for this research may include definition and importance of workplace ergonomics, the impact of workplace ergonomics on employee health and productivity, ergonomic interventions and their effects on performance, factors influencing employee productivity in assembly line operations, best practices and case studies of successful ergonomic implementations. Some theories and models that can be adopted for this research include the Job Demand Control Model. This model was proposed by Robert Karasek in the 1970s. This model suggests that job characteristics, specifically job demands and job control, can influence employee stress levels and, consequently, their productivity. The Effort-Reward Imbalance Model. In the context of assembly line operations, researchers can investigate whether employees perceive their efforts in coping with the physical demands of their work as adequately rewarded and how this perception affects their productivity. The Job Characteristics Model. Applying this model to assembly line operations, researchers can examine how the presence or absence of these characteristics in the workstation design and work tasks influences employee motivation, engagement, and productivity. Chapter 3, Methodology. Suitable conceptual framework. A suitable conceptual framework for this research could include 3 independent variables: workstation design, ergonomic interventions, and employee well-being. The dependent variable would be employee productivity. Recommended research philosophy. For this type of research, a pragmatic research philosophy is recommended. It allows us to consider both practical and theoretical aspects to provide useful recommendations. Recommended research approach. An inductive research approach is suitable for this study as it involves collecting data and deriving insights from it, allowing for the development of specific ergonomic interventions based on real-world observations. Recommended research strategy. A mixed methods research strategy is recommended to gather both quantitative and qualitative data, providing a comprehensive understanding of the relationship between workplace ergonomics and productivity. Recommended research choice. A survey-based research choice would be effective, enabling us to collect data from a larger number of employees in various assembly line operations. Suitable data analysis method. Given the nature of this research topic, a combination of qualitative and quantitative data analysis methods will offer a more comprehensive understanding. Quantitative data can be analyzed using statistical tools, while qualitative data can be analyzed thematically. Ethical considerations. Ethical considerations are crucial in any research. For example, ensure informed consent from all participants, maintain anonymity and confidentiality, and respect the participants' right to withdraw from the study at any time. Chapter 4: Data Analysis. Quantitative data analysis. In a quantitative analysis, a sample size of at least 100 employees from different assembly line operations would provide statistically significant results. Qualitative data analysis. In qualitative analysis, conducting in-depth interviews with 15-20 employees, along with observations, can offer valuable insights into their experiences with workplace ergonomics and productivity. Chapter 5: Conclusion. The conclusion chapter summarizes the findings and discusses how they contribute to the existing body of knowledge. It also highlights the practical implications and suggests future areas of research. Chapter 6: Recommendations. The recommendation chapter proposes actionable steps based on the research findings. Suitable recommendations for this topic could include implementing adjustable workstations and ergonomic tools, conducting regular employee training on proper ergonomics, establishing a feedback system to continuously improve workplace ergonomics. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this research topic on workplace ergonomics and employee productivity informative and relevant. For access to a preliminary version of the research topic, please follow the hyperlink provided in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.